one of the most fantastic mosques in Aceh.
Historic.
Yes, I love it because you can see the building is so classic.
Classic, yeah.
Yes, do you like it?
I like it.
Yes. And what we do here,
Is
we just pray.
pray,
Yes.
pray, yeah. Okay.
It's so classic. There's so I'm gonna take a selfie. Yes. Good.
Good job. Good job.
So let's go.